Welcome everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your in-person Jamaica princess. What gonna be done, what gonna be done. So, by the time of the title, you can't already know what we're gonna do. We'll be taking a Jamaica quiz. How well do I really know Jamaica, being a Jamaican, right? You ever think about that? You ever think about that? But anyways, Evie, run the intro.
EVE, 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 EVE.
Yep, that's me.
Okay, so I'll be taking a quiz, a Jamaica quiz. Let me show YouTube that I actually have a top on, so YouTube don't say I'm naked on camera. But yeah, so we'll be taking that quiz today. I look so beautiful. By the way, if you want to see how to achieve this beautiful face, the link to that video will be in the description box below, so you can click that after you finish watching this. Okay, and if you want to see where I got this wig from, the link will also be in the little description. Okay, now let's get on into the video.
Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsy. Today I will be testing your knowledge of the Jamaica national heroes. You have 20 questions and 3 multiple choice options for each. Don't miss the bonus question at the end. Now let's see how much you remember. Can you score 100%? Number 1. Where was Nanny buried? A. Trelawney. B. Moortown. C. National Heroes Circle.
Moortown.
The answer is B. Moortown. Number 2. Who said, "Long live the king, but Denham must go"? A. Norman Washington Manley. B. Paul Bogle. C. Alexander Bustamante.
Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle.
The answer is C. Alexander Bustamante. Number 3. What's George William Gordon's place of birth? A. St. Catherine. B. Kingston. C. St. Andrew.
St. Andrew.
The answer is C. St. Andrew. Number 4. Who is considered Jamaica's first national hero? A. Nanny of the Maroons. B. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. C. Sam Sharp.
Marcus Garvey. No, Sam
The
Sharp.
answer is B. Marcus Mosiah
Hey,
Garvey.
me get it right. Me say first one first.
Number 5. Who became the first Prime Minister of independent Jamaica in 1962? A. Michael Manley. B. Alexander Bustamante. C. Norman Washington Manley.
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
The answer is B. Alexander Bustamante. Number 6. In what year was slavery abolished? A. 1837. B. 1838. C. 1832.
1832.
The answer is B. 1838. Number 7. Which national hero instigated the 1831 slave rebellion?
Paul.
A. Sam Sharp. B. Paul Bogle.
Paul.
C. George William Gordon.
Paul. My confidence with that. Paul Bogle. My
The
confidence.
answer is A. Sam Sharp. Number 8. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? A. 9. B. 8. C. 7.
7.
The answer is C. 7. Number 9. What does UNIA stand for? A. Universal Negro Improvement Association. B. Universal Negro Improvement Association. C. Universal National Improvement Association.
B. It have something to do with Negro. It have something to do with Negro. I'm gonna go with B.
The answer is A. Universal Negro Improvement Association. Number 10. What was the name of the party that Marcus Garvey started in 1929? A. People's National Party. B. National Political Party. C. People's Political Party.
B. Me not remember what she said, so go with B. Me not remember what she said.
The answer? C. People's Political Party.
My neighbor on back
Number
then.
11. Which national hero led a protest that marched on the Morant Bay
Paul.
Courthouse on October 11,
Paul.
1865? A. George William Gordon.
No.
B. Alexander Bustamante.
No.
C. Paul Bogle.
Paul. One thing me know that part the Paul.
The answer is C. Paul Bogle. Number 12. In which parish was Marcus Garvey born? A. St. Anne. B. St. Andrew. C. St. James.
St. James. Listen, me see through my social study class, you know.
The answer is A. St. Anne.
Many like social
Number
studies.
13. Which of our national heroes founded the People's National Party? A. Alexander Bustamante. B. Norman Washington Manley. C. Marcus Messiah Garvey.
Me go say Norman. Norman Manley. Norman Manley.
The answer is B. Norman Washington Manley. Number 14. Which national hero was the first to call for a referendum in Jamaica? A. Norman Washington Manley. B. Alexander Bustamante. C. Marcus Messiah Garvey.
Marcus Messiah Garvey. Me not know, me just have to sit here the last
The
thing me
answer
here.
is A. Norman Washington Manley.
Hello. Move
Number
that.
15. Which of the Jamaican national heroes were cousins? A. George William Gordon and Paul Bogle. B. Norman Manley and Alexander Bustamante. C. Paul Bogle and Sam Sharp.
I think I the one with Norman Manley.
The answer is B. Norman Manley and Alexander Bustamante.
We know Norman they related to something.
Number 16. What was the name of the estate on which the 1831 slave rebellion
Shibariti?
began? A. Rose Hall Estate.
Is
B.
Shibariti?
Greenwood Estate. C. Kensington Estate.
Me I go say Greenwood. Everything nice with the water. Greenwood.
The answer is C. Kensington Estate. Number 17. In which parish was Bustamante born?
Shibariti, let me do the mark register at the hospital.
C. Trelawney.
Shalani. Shibariti.
The answer is A. Hanover.
Me name know. Me name that with
Number
you.
18. Which national hero became treasurer of the Jamaica Workers and Tradesmen Union?
Check, let me do that part of the
A.
parliament.
Marcus Garvey. B. Alexander Bustamante. C. George William Gordon.
George. Big up George. George.
The answer is B. Alexander Bustamante.
Me name that with
Number
them.
19. Who launched the Jamaica Labour Party in 1943? A. Marcus Garvey. B. Edward Seaga. C. Alexander Bustamante.
Alexander Bustamante. See, I got it back then?
The answer is C. Alexander Bustamante.
And then
Don't
put him
forget
for
the
$1.
question after number 20.
Then put him
Number
for
20.
$1.
Which national hero was captured by the Portland Maroons the same day that George William Gordon was hanged? A. Paul Bogle. B. Sam Sharp. C. Nanny of the Maroons.
Me I say Paul, because then they capture Paul and bring him back somewhere and then hang him.
The answer is A. Paul Bogle. And the bonus question is...
National Heroes Day was first celebrated as a public holiday in Jamaica on which day or date in October? 6. Listen, by right to Otana, Reason being, she asked me some question like say, me did it back then with them in the parliament in the back book. You understand me? I say, how am I supposed to know? And I sleep through most of my social studies class. I hated social studies, so obviously I never go pay attention in other class day. Bless when I learn. I not lie, but everyone should have answer question with me, okay? So thank you. So you come to the end of the video. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the Uncle Step Brother-in-Law. Tell the world to come over here to look for me. And press EVK. And I'm bring the Jamaican vibes. Now I'm gonna lie. Period. Where they know about you. Okay?